What is going down, my crew? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited diamonds in Bigo Live. So let me just show you guys how this works. We're going to open up the Bigo Live, and as you can see, guys, we are not that rich. We're not that well off, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So let me just show you guys right here. When we press this button, you can see it says unlock 999 coins. So just go ahead, press unlock, and as you can see, guys, it is unlocking the coins right now. So we'll just give it a second to load. All right, so it's unlocking right now. All right, so it looks like the service is working. So let's see what we get. We're not going to get upset. All right, 99 coins were activated. Bang, guys, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this for iOS and Android. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but let's get straight into the tutorial so I can show you guys how to download this. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and navigate to the website, which is tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in. So on this site, we're just going to do the search bar, type Bigo, and then press install. Now, there's going to be a verification, guys. This is the last step. So what we need to do is download 2 apps and follow instructions 100% for free from official app store, and this will install it into your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here. As you can see, just going to show you guys. But yeah, this is not really for me, but I feel like I have to share it because this site is new. So it's so crazy, bro. So let's just give it a second for this to load up. Just so you guys can see how to do that verification step, guys. So it's so wild, and it's pretty simple, honestly. So you guys shouldn't have any problems. So as you can see, it says missing files. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, we got all the apps right here. So like, Underdog Fantasy, it says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. I could do the Family Island, which says reach level 11. It's a game. Or I could do Scanner app. You guys search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go.